All right, live from Vegas in VMworld, I'm here with Kit Colbert. Kit, how are you?
I'm doing great.
Awesome. And so you are the CTO of the Cloud Applications Group, Cloud Native Group, sorry.
Cloud Platform.
Okay, even better.
I've been switching around, keeping people on their toes.
I like it. So we last talked, we were saying at Cloud Foundry Summit, and we talked about where you all were with vSphere Integrated Containers as well as a Photon Platform. And now you're up on stage today, and there were some new things that came up.
Yeah.
So, but maybe before you do that, for folks who don't know what they are, just a quick what they are and what's the difference.
Yeah, so today we talked about this concept of enterprise container infrastructure, which is what we see as a way of solving a lot of the operational challenges in terms of running containers in production. And if you have the right infrastructure, it enables you to run containers in production with confidence. And so we have two different types of enterprise container infrastructure. We've got vSphere Integrated Containers and Photon Platform. vSphere Integrated Containers is really about taking vSphere and the software-defined data center and extending that to work seamlessly with containers. Photon Platform is more about a greenfield environment where you're standing up a new set of infrastructure, you want it to be container only, and want really high scale. So we really have two different use cases that each of these products are solving.
And so then the latest and greatest?
Okay, so what's new, right? So vSphere Integrated Containers. So what we talked about today is that previously it was just a container engine, right, that mapped between Docker and vSphere and deeply ingrained these container images as VMs on vSphere. But we actually announced two additional components that are now part of vSphere Integrated Containers. The first being a container registry called Project Harbor on GitHub. And its job is to securely store and manage the container images with enterprise capabilities. And then, just following on that thought, a lot of customers want to store their container images securely on premises. They don't want to use Docker Hub or something running in the cloud, and so they are looking for a solution there. Also, we have something called Admiral, which is our container management portal. And again, we see a lot of our customers with vSphere, they don't want to give app teams access to vSphere. It's just not a generally accepted best practice, but they need somewhere for the app teams to go to manage those container instances. That's what Admiral provides. And so we talked about today vSphere Integrated Containers being these three components: the engine, the registry, and the portal. They're now all available as open source on GitHub. So github.com/VIC-product. You can get all the information. So that's vSphere Integrated Containers. Photon Platform, we had a shorter update on, really just focused around a few things with Photon. So we have a completely free version of Photon, which I think was when we last chatted, I talked about as well. But that enables you to get Photon Platform, the open source components as well as free ESXi, and use that to your heart's content. We also have a new version of our commercial offering of Photon, which combines Photon Platform with Pivotal Cloud Foundry in a seamless integrated package. That's the next version's out. We also talked about a future version of Photon Platform that'll include both Kubernetes and NSX integration. So that's the quick update on both vSphere Integrated Containers and Photon Platform.
Cool. And then just to conclude with, any peek into what we might see coming up next time I see you at a conference?
Yeah, so a lot of exciting things happening. We've got a bunch more updates on both vSphere Integrated Containers and Photon Platform that we'll be rolling out soon, as well as some newer technologies, new products, in fact, that we have not yet talked about publicly. So stay tuned for more.
Awesome. Kit Colbert, thank you so much.
Thanks.